Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Call of Duty Mobile. So first things first, you need to have your user ID number. Now to find your user ID number, all you have to do is launch the game and get to this homepage. And then from here, simply tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. And then from here, select basic. Now within the player profile options, you should see this number, the UID number. That's your username ID, user ID number, sorry. So tap on this icon, the copy icon next to it, and you should see it is copied. So ensure that you have your user ID number. Now once you have that, all you have to do is launch your browser on your device. So let me just launch Google Chrome and then go to the Call of Duty Mobile Redeem. So search for this Call of Duty Mobile Redeem. And then from the search results, all you have to do is select this Redemption Center, tap on it. And then now from here, scroll down and find the UID section. And then now paste that number that we just copied. So paste. And then from here, type in the code that you would like to redeem. So just type in the code. And once done, you have to verify. So just verify this. So let me just do that quickly. Once done, tap on submit. And that's how you'll redeem codes in Call of Duty. So mine is failed because I don't have the right redeem code. So but basically that's how you should redeem codes in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.